This is the Oecs Newslink, a roundup of major news happening across the Oecs today. In the headlines,
Youth and women in agriculture get a seat at the table for the second Special Council of Ministers meeting for agriculture. Oecs announces Colors Day to celebrate its 44th anniversary. And the Oecs and Conservation International forged strategic partnership to bolster climate resilience and ocean conservation. Good day, viewers, and welcome to the weekly edition of the Oecs Newslink. I am Claudia McDowell. Here are the stories for this week. In a historical moment for the Oecs, youth and women in agriculture not only participated but actively influenced key policy decisions in the second special meeting of the Oecs Council of Ministers for Agriculture. The meeting was held at the Inter-American Institute for Cooperation on Agriculture headquarters in San Jose, Costa Rica. In a historical moment for the Oecs, youth and women in agriculture not only participated but actively influenced key policy decisions in the second special meeting of the Oecs Council of Ministers for Agriculture. The meeting was held in the Inter-American Institute for Cooperation on Agriculture headquarters in San Jose, Costa Rica. The participating youth and women in agriculture outlined some critical challenges and presented solutions aimed at ensuring long-term success of the industry. They raised points of limited access to finance, equipment, and land, inadequate infrastructure and facilities development, and the high cost of livestock farming compounded by inconsistent feed availability and climate-related difficulties. The meeting ended with some proposed solutions and initiatives, including incorporating agriculture education into primary schools and offering summer programs, supporting youth access to low-interest loans and grant programs for agribusiness development, encouraging government collaboration with non-governmental organizations to improve sector support. Before we move on to our next story, the Oecs invites nationals in St. Vincent and the Grenadines to register for an exciting fun walk on Sunday, June 15, 2025 at 6 a.m. Scan the QR code in the flyer on screen to learn more. The walk will start at Arnosville Stadium to the Marinas Hotel through the Windward Highway and back. Still in the spirit of celebration, Oecs Colors Day is coming up on Wednesday, June 18, 2025, as part of the Oecs 44th anniversary activities. This year's theme is Adapting, Innovating, Sustaining, a Unified Oecs for a Changing World. On this special day, the Oecs Commission invites individuals, schools, organizations, and communities across the region to join in a vibrant display of unity. Take a look at this video for more details.
June 18 is Oecs Day.
That means it's Oecs Colors Day.
What are you gonna do?
Wear my Oecs colors.
Do you know the Oecs colors?
Yes, of course I know. Green, navy blue, yellow and white. Remind your parents and teachers to wear their colors. And don't forget to tell your friends.
Take a picture.
It's a celebration of our achievements as a region.
And in our final story for this episode, the Oecs and Conservation International have signed a Memorandum of Understanding to formalize a strategic partnership aimed at advancing conservation, sustainable development, and climate resilience across the Eastern Caribbean. From this partnership, Conservation International will help unlock funding, advise on restoring ecosystems, support strengthening environmental policies, boost data sharing and decision-making for a greener economy, and support green businesses to thrive in nature-friendly industries. Meanwhile, the Oecs will offer policy insights for the Lesser Antilles Landscape Program, connect key players, champion nature-based solutions, and mobilize financial and political backing to scale up successful initiatives. Both organizations will also share knowledge on conservation funding, green economic shifts, and climate resilience strategies. That's all for today's edition of the Oecs Newslink. Thank you for joining us and see you on OECS Colors Day. For more on these stories, visit our newsroom at www.oecs.int. See you next time.